Are you a worrier? Well, if you are, 2024 may be presenting you with some unique challenges. But I've got some good news for you. On August 1st, I'm presenting a workshop on Zoom, Hypnotic workshop at 7 p.m. called Break the Worry Habit Before It Breaks You. Now, I'm not saying you're going to become like this guy, but I am saying you can stop being this guy. This was me as a young fellow, and I was a chronic worrier. I came by, honestly, my family was worriers, I was a worrier, and I learned how to change it. In this 90-minute seminar, we'll be doing hypnosis, but also talking about proven principles to live within the day and stop making yourself miserable by worrying about tomorrow or trying to fix yesterday. Don't worry, it's not expensive, $15 on Zoom. I'm going to try to limit this to maybe at most 25 people. So if you're a worrier, save yourself some worry and sign up today.